Hi, I'm John, and I like to relax.
He really does. And I'm Tammy, and I like to explore.
She really does.
And I'm Austin, and I like to repeat.
He really does.
And together we are Relax, Explore, Repeat. Hi guys, we are in the Jeep getting ready to take off. We're going to go explore downtown Ogden, Utah. There's a bike trail down there by the river. We may ride our bikes, we may just walk. We're also going to go see the Great Salt Lake today, so stay tuned. We will take you with us and we'll see you when we get there. Where are we? Where are we?
We are at the Ogden Botanical Garden.
Ogden University Botanical Garden?
Yes,
Okay.
I believe so.
Ogden University Botanical Gardens. We're going to walk around and look at the pretty flowers. I thought it was mechanical gardens, so I thought we were going to see some cool machines and stuff, but it turns out it's botanical, not mechanical. So we're going to look at the flowers.
Good way to trick a guy into looking at flowers.
Yeah. Congrats.
Is this the edible garden? Okay.
Oh. Maybe.
I got here early and not everything's in bloom right now.
Yeah.
We got a grapevine over.
Yeah, grapevine over the little archway thing. That's the edible garden, but I think their planting season just started not too long ago. So we're going to go get our bikes and go for a ride. So, we just got back from our bike ride on the Ogden River Parkway. We rode down 1.5 miles. There's a dinosaur museum, which is called the Ogden George Eccles Dinosaur Museum. Admission is $7 for adults. They have pricing for youth and seniors. We were not able to get in because of they're on phase 1 of their reopening after the COVID-19 pandemic, and so yeah, we turned around and came back. We're back at the Jeep. I've got some video from the ride. Tammy was having some trouble with her bike. It's like a 10-year-old clearance bike that we got at Toys R Us, and it's not in the best shape, and it's probably not the best bike in the world. It's 21 speed, and Tammy's never had a multi-speed bike before, so she was having some trouble shifting, and then to make things more difficult for her, I told her the wrong handle to twist to shift gears, and but she finally arrived at a happy medium to make it somewhat easier to pedal.
Yeah, on the way there, like when it was like just flat terrain, I was pedaling so fast I couldn't get any traction, and so I would adjust it so that I finally found where I could pedal. But then when it got hard and I was trying to make it easier to pedal, I was going the wrong way, and it was just like I couldn't even like turn the pedal once. And so a lot of times I was just getting off the bike and walking until I could figure out. Well, on the way back I found kind of like just the right happy medium, and if it got a little bit too hard I would turn the left hand just a couple times and it would be perfect, and then if it got too hard I would turn it the other way and it would be perfect. And so the ride back was a much more pleasant experience. But Austin did really good on his trike.
Yeah, his trike works really well.
If he stopped on a flat level but his pedal wasn't quite right for him to push it forward, he would get stuck and we'd have to give him a boost. But other than that, he did the whole trail really, really good.
Yep, and now we're going to go out to eat for his birthday, but probably not dine in because of the closures. So we're going to try to find a drive-in, hopefully, that we can eat in our car. And then we're going to go to the Great Salt Lake, check that out, and see if we actually float in it. Austin's not a real good swimmer, so hopefully he usually sinks to the bottom when we get in water. So we're going to try this out and see if he can float, and we'll see you when we get there. Hey, look, we're dining in at a restaurant for Austin's birthday for the first time since the pandemic began. So anyway, yeah, we're sitting down to eat. Isn't that cool? Never thought that would have been something special. But anyway, happy birthday, Austin.
Thank you.
Well, we're at the Great Salt Lake. What's left of it. Seems that a lot of it has evaporated. We had to walk about at least a quarter of a mile to get to the water from the parking lot. But I did go out and float on it. It's kind of weird. You just kind of stay close to the top. You don't sink down. You don't have to hold your breath, to stay inflated with air. You just kind of relax and float very close to the surface. Kind of cool. Bucket list item, I guess. So check that one off. I floated on the Great Salt Lake. Woohoo!